Hello to all my friends. Today we make macarons with Italian meringue. It's very unique and easy recipe and step by step how to make from A to Z until finishing. And if you want to know the macarons feeling, it's already in my Ahmad Yunus macaron you will find in my YouTube channel. So if this first time to watch my channel, I would love to make subscribe, make like, leave the comment to guide us what we have to do. Very easy recipe. 190 gram almond powder, 190 gram sugar powder, 60 gram egg white, 90 gram egg white again, 1 gram sugar. For the caramel, 190 gram sugar, 50 gram water. That's it. First we added the 90 gram egg white. We have 2 egg white. 90 gram we mix in the KitchenAid, and 60 gram we added to almond powder. So now we mix in KitchenAid only egg white, pinch of salt, this is the best, and 190 sugar, 50 gram water. We cook to 120 centigrade. In meantime we strain sugar, icing sugar with almond flour or almond powder to be ready to avoid any lumps. This is very important step. Here 190 gram sugar, 50 gram water. I will leave all the recipe in the description box below. Here 120 centigrade, 120, very important. Some people cook Italian meringue for 118, but it's not good. 120 is the best. Then we pour on top of the meringue, as you see, and we leave KitchenAid for at least 12-15 minutes. That make the caramel cook the egg white and make it hard bake. As you see, when you leave the caramel, it's cooked the meringue and becomes stiff, which help us to mix with almond powder. When it's ready, after 12 minutes, we take the whole meringue out. First, we added 60 gram egg white to almond powder and icing sugar. We mix it to be soft dough. This very important before we added the meringue to have soft dough. Make sure all dry ingredients mix it with egg white. Then we take little by little from meringue to mix with the almond dough, butter bomb, or whatever you call it. Then we added another batch in 3-4 time until the meringue is ready. We finish. All meringue together now. Mixes the dough very well, and you can see it's fluffy. The best with the Italian meringue, when you make macaron, it becomes crispy outside, chewy inside, which will give a different experience. We divide it in 2 bowls so we can make 2 color, 3 color, or 1 color. It's up to you. Make sure that you have a good brand of food color to give nice shiny. When we buy, this is the only issue I find when I make Italian meringue macaron. I have to keep, after I bibbing, I shake in the table, and I have to keep it at least 4 or 5 hours before I bake, to be sure that the macaron, the shell on top is crusted dry, and then I can bake. If you see Ahmad Yunus macaron, maximum we keep it like 20-15 minutes maximum, and then we can bake. But this with Italian meringue, we must leave it at least 4-5 hours in room temperature until be dry, then we can bake. So you cannot bake direct. We bibbing all. For me, when I use first time oven, I bibe like 10 piece of macaron in one tray, and then I bake it alone for 155 for 14 minutes. Then I check if I need more temperature or more time. Regarding silicone paper, I must dry very well, because if it's wet or have any fats, is not good for the macaron to remove easily. So you try first